Cancer, this is your channel messages for the 13th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Cancer, we're going straight into your reading. I am your tarot reader for the day. Cancer, this is your channel song. Notice me, take my hand. Why are we strangers when our love is strong? Why carry on without me? And every time I try to fly, I fall without my wings. I feel so small. I guess I need you, baby. And every time I see you in my dreams, I see your face. It's haunting me. Guess I need you, baby. Sagittarius, what's happening? I don't know. Oh, Cancer, are you dealing with a Sagittarius? So I'm getting you're dealing with a Sagittarius, and I'm getting I don't know what's happening, Cancer. I'm getting every time you try to fly, you fall without your wings. You feel so small. Now in that video, Britney Spears was leaving like a concert, and she leave with her boyfriend, and you see she and her boyfriend like arguing, paparazzi's in her face. She go in a hotel room, and while I'm in the room, she go into the bathtub, take off her clothes and cut her wrist and go into the bathtub. And at the end, and she see herself when she dead, and the ambulance and everybody are coming, and then at the end she wake up out of the bathtub of water. So I'm getting something about suicide, something about somebody will cut them wrist, or that's what them plan for do. Them plan for cut them wrist and lay down in one bathtub. That is such a fucked up way to do that, for commit suicide. I don't know why I want to get emotional, but I don't know who this is. Me getting somebody cut them wrist. This is what comes with channeling. I'm getting Britney Spears, me getting somebody cut them wrist and them lay down in one bathtub. That's how them going past. Making sure. Make believe you're the hand. It's the only way. I see clear of what I've done. You seem to move on easy, and every time I try to fly, I fall without my wings. I feel so small. Guess I need you, baby. And every time I try you in my dreams, I see your face. It's haunting me. Guess I need you, baby. Let me stop before I get consumed with energy again. Let's go ahead and go into a career reading. I don't know if this is something career related. Maybe you're a celebrity. Me getting attempted suicide in the bathroom. Let's go. I'm telling you, you think this job is very glamorous. If you see the shit I saw, feel the shit I felt, you probably would have taken your own life. Not because you were depressed, because you were consumed with somebody else's depression. Let's go ahead and go into a career reading. What is your focus? I'm getting you're very suicidal right now, Cancer. I'm getting you asking for help and nobody helping. What is your focus? Yeah, the Seven of Swords. Sorry, Seven of Cups. Are you drinking? You're going to drink, you're going to get drunk, going to the bath. You're going to get drunk, get depressed, go into the bathtub, and then some type of wrist-cutting argument. Me getting people that turn a blind eye to your problem. You have a problem? Maybe you keep telling people you have a drinking problem and they're like, no you don't, no you don't, and you're like, yes I do. Me getting it stemming from alcohol. What's your advice? Your advice is a page of cups. So you ain't get intoxicated and then you go online. Maybe you stalk your ex them. Or you get intoxicated and you're not showing up for work. You're online. I don't know what you're doing. Me getting your vision blurred or your vision fucked up. Your mentor is a hermit. Me getting something about a Virgo man. Something about what this Virgo did to you, what this Virgo said to you. Me don't know what a Virgo turned a blind eye to. Me don't know if the Virgo introduced you to a certain lifestyle. I don't know what the Virgo did. No, me getting the Virgo is your mentor. So me getting the Virgo know about this death. Somebody dead, when them dead, them in a water. Them in a tub of water or something about a suicide. Me getting the Virgo know about it. Because that's supposed to be a mentor. So why you not talk to your mentor? Was your mentor causing you to commit suicide? Did he take on another client to mentor and abandon you? Because me getting something, me don't know what this is. What is your sign that you're on the right path? The Seven of Pentacles. Me getting some Jewish people. A Jewish guy, this Jewish boy is on your right path. Your mentor is a hermit. Could be a rabbi. I'm getting your sign is going back to work. Are you going back to work for the Jews? I'm getting you're going back to work. You're going to go back to work for this rabbi man. You're going to go back to work for him. You literally look like a rabbi and a Jewish person. No, this is your mentorship and your sign. Unless this is what's happening to this elderly Jewish man. They're getting him a drink himself. They're getting you feel suicidal when you drink. What's the outcome? The Star card. Yeah, literally Britney Spears. Literally. And every time I try to fight, I fall without my wings. I feel... And she went into the bathtub naked like this. I guess I need you, baby. And every time I try... Me getting you going to work for these people, you go back at work. Or me getting the Virgo give about the star. The Virgo gave you the star in the sky. We don't know if somebody literally changed your destiny or somebody come intervene something. Me getting something about a celebrity committing suicide. Me getting it get intercepted or intervene. I'm tired. I feel fucking tired now, to be honest. I don't even want to continue the readings. I trusted the wrong person. Witch doctor. So maybe somebody is trying to make you hurt yourself. Hidden prisons. I was innocent and death. Yeah, me I get something about wrist in the bathroom. Amen. Please forgive me. Oh, where weakness caused you pain. And this song's my sorry. Yeah, my weakness caused you pain, and this song is my sorry. Literally. At nights I pray. At nights I pray that soon your face will fade away. And every time I try to fly, I fall without my wings. I feel so small. Guess I need you, baby. And every time I try, you in my dreams. I see your face, it's haunting me. Guess I need you, baby. I'm gonna leave it here.